see na God bless you. Yeah. Ooh, oh, no be something. Savannah long thing. God no go greed that one for me. Ooh, oh, no be something. Savannah long thing. God no go greed that one for me.
From Baghdad down to your bus stop, money in the man like a gunshot. Machiavelli, yes, I be too far.
Welcome on Top of the Night Show for today. We be the 2nd of March 2015. Make una not vex say for una way there una go don't wonder wetin make us never start show since make una not vex not be our fault. We dey here. Me, Katim, Easy Beat no be our fault. Now the fault of our producer Kesono and the fault of everybody when we say they for back there. We suppose don't sit down before show start to repair everything we not good. Now when show one start, they go carry back enter. To dig for call repair them. So now them make una blame. But anyway, una welcome on Top of the Night Show for today. Make it for nobody like say we should be mama fly. Those of una way they Lagos, how far?
Hey! If I own a room,
Katim, how far?
If you see the coast for road. Hey!
Easy Beat.
I don't know, say they can get that kind of motor for inside here.
See,
if you see, it can't be like say people won't enter Noah's Ark. They go two by two.
End time.
If you see motor for this Lagos, I don't even know. So after they say people no get money, they get money.
What did they worry me? Now, the thing we cause this, not be ordinary traffic. Fuel not day.
Fuel not day at all.
Scarcity of fuel don't day now from nowhere. We just wake up.
It just appear.
It just appear.
My neighbor they talk say kai. Say you no say fuel scarcity code. Say that yesterday for go buy am.
I know yesterday I forgot buy full tank.
No,
on Saturday I be buy half tank. As I dey go I say make I buy half tank. Wait till on Monday I will buy full tank. Not knowing. See I'm now to just even go
everywhere.
But you don't bloody.
If you want they come on,
no notification, no information.
Nothing.
You just happen like
you could spend over 1 hour. For
somebody say in buy fuel 120 naira. Some say buy 100 naira per liter.
Yeah.
My fear for this thing now, make it not go be say, from this thing now, they can't go increase for price.
No, it be like say, Nedu, it be like say, now that, you know, say, Lola now don't exchange.
Dollar.
Lola don't craze.
Dollar. Not be Lola. Dollar.
Is it not Lola?
It's not Lola. Dollar. Dollars. Now, not wake up with dollars.
Dollars. Dollars and pounds. Don't
go up.
Yeah, so everything you can't.
You know, say that they say dollar and pounds don't go up. You get one money where nobody they talk about.
Which one?
Kuwait, the money 684 naira.
So
the one Kuwait money.
Kuwait money.
Kuwait 684 naira.
They fight.
Kuwait. I don't even know when I hear about Kuwait last.
684. But my dear, continue what you talk, John.
Kuwait now.
We just get 2 Kuwaits.
Just get 2 Kuwaits.
No, but what's that money they buy?
Go buy plenty things now. Okay, what's in dollar they buy?
Where? No, say now people know they take and serious.
So which means even the Kuwait money big pass dollar.
It big pass dollar.
Big pass euro.
Why you think say you know they always hear their matter?
No, you know the FIA.
You know the FIA their matter.
If no be you now, no waiting make you
Kuwait.
Kuwait.
Like say the ancient of days.
Anyway, I beg those of una where they
Iran money come.
Iran, I don't know Iran own. Na Kuwait own I know. Because I get interest. But there, I have interest, personal interest.
Neru, they go Kuwait.
Don't worry.
Huh?
Don't worry. Anyway, I beg, would they use this opportunity take the beg those of our way government. If now feel chook mouth make this thing stop. I beg make una help us. The scarcity don't do for Uri. It don't do for Abuja. Now na Lagos. I beg. Today around 4 o'clock or 4:30 while the drive come.
For morning or for evening?
For this evening.
Oh.
If you see school children wey don close school since 1, 2, Katim, dem full road. They not fit go house.
It don't make sense.
It don't make sense.
Monday or 4 days.
On Monday, I beg.
Muna, you're strike.
I beg.
Pity the poor masses.
Pity the poor masses. Muna help us. Because government, we not go lie give una. if we're not there, make I tell you now. If we're not there,
how we won't go vote?
Wait, not even the more leave the vote matter. Nothing concern me with the vote matter. If we're not there, easy bit make we calculate am.
Okay.
If we're not there, Katim, motor not go to move, queue go there everywhere, and when queue not everywhere, traffic go there
everywhere.
And when traffic go there, you will want rush go somewhere. You no go feel rush go there. Now, if fuel not there, lights not there, hardly there.
Yes, that one
follow. Begin where then just born, go there cry for night.
Suffocate.
Hospital, fuel not there to take for
patients.
They what they call na ripple effect.
Na ripple effect. It go affect everything.
And if they inform people on time, you go see make sense. Not just bam, all of a sudden.
Okay, see I'm now, fuel not there. People when they go work for office, for example, for here now, people who supposed to come work now, we don't go house now. They feel never even see motor to go house.
If you never, you go sit down, reach 5 hours for it.
Reach 5 hours before you even see attachments. And when they will call Richards, they go Richards like that kind 11 o'clock
11 or
for
12.
Night. 11 o'clock.
Then
4 a.m., 5 again, they don't stand up again.
They come. It's no good. Government, more na help us. Yeah, more na help us make life very easy. Now, fear where they people for them and say fuel money won't go up. I beg.
Now so that they do them. They will push and push and push.
You understand?
They just station them.
I beg.
No, Nedu, by tomorrow like this, the fuel could be like my close eye open like this. You could see.
I pray. I pray.
Take my word for it.
I pray. I beg. If as soon as they there so now, in fact, if like say one of the days for inside the week we go choose them as the day where para in day. The day where you go.
Say may you go. Yes, may you go telephone. When you telephone, you go just talk and see they do you.
I beg anywhere where you there for Nigeria now. How the fuel matter there for your place? Make you call us. Make we know how it be for you. Our phone numbers go out there. Appear on Top TV now. Make you the call us. Make we know how it be for your body.
Zamfara, Nasarawa.
No, you go shock. So those kind of places, you not too they worry them.
It's where they just chill, they lounge, you know.
Some na cow they carry waka now.
Lagos go feel
Lagos, now you go feel am pass.
Port Harcourt,
they go feel am.
Abuja.
One day we just use one day, give one day for
program.
Para day. We just call anyway they vex you. Just the para.
As it is allowed.
Anyway, today's topic, what we talk about since na Ministry Monday today, we dey discuss matter wey concern talent and hard work.
It was confusion
and hard work. The question na say, now which one pay pass?
For this Nigeria.
For this Nigeria where we dey. Because for this Nigeria, 9 person wey do engineering, go do IT for police station.
Go even work for bank. Go even they sing song. That boy, that guy when he hit there somehow. No be me talking where they sing Obi-Mo.
Okay, Obi-Wan.
See it is about.
No be he dey sing now.
In a bank he dey work before. No, he own day different. He own day different. Person like me now, na accountant study for school. I supposed to be accountant. But
as you like this.
But na talent na carry me.
No, from now on, you say call this Nedu accountant Nedu.
Anyway, now the topic we're going to discuss today be that talent and hard work. Which one you think say make sense pass? Which one you think say go pay pass? To get talent, or be to get what do they call them? Or be to work hard. Now you go to ask yourself, say, what be talent? Talent now that thing when it be say other people they find them hard. Like naturally in a hard thing. But for you, it is easy for you to do. For example now, DJ work. Other people go to do, but DJ easy beats now. I don't go like even because of saying easy beats. Easy beat now very good DJ. Other people go find a hard one. He be there
confused because easy the dance.
No, easy beat good. You don't hear easy beat. Anybody will start easy beat now from. You know how these people when they sing. All these sinners, evil people. Now so then they start from church. Then go start. Then small time. Then go just
enter the world.
Easy bit now start from church.
Okay.
Now he don't enter the world.
Hey.
The world has swallowed him. We'll make Doralicious, Half Sat, Genevieve, and the rest of them, even married women.
Yeah.
The whole up.
Okay, so it had on here and again in deliverance.
Deliverance.
Okay.
Anyway, make we got some more chicken in bread for you. When we come back, you go begin to tell us what you feel about this matter. Talents, then be that when they be say, if you get them, it ain't easy. I mean, what the others they find hard to do. You now just.
It could very easy.
It could just be very
hard
easy.
Work. You could sit down, burn the midnight
hard
oil.
Work, you go walk. You
go like that, you are lantern. You know, say some people get talent for mathematics.
It gets some people go come now. Some people will come now. For example, comedians. Somebody go just come now. What he never begin crack joke. Just talking where they talk.
You don't laugh.
You don't laugh.
It's funny you.
other people could try.
Other people go say, so the fowl come. So as the fowl come now the fowl comes out. Oh God, leave me alone. You're gonna say it's very hard for them, but anyway, when they come back, I know plenty comedians like that.
Yes.